As sir mentioned, I did my schooling from DMA. I'm right from your own city, Meerut, Ghar ki murgi dal barabar. But I wanted to go out. I secured good rank. I went to JSS Noida, pursued engineering. I was in my first year, but there was some hunger. Something was there in my mind which was keeping me up at nights. I wanted to do something different, something of my own. I belong to a business class family. It started off with my grandfather. He was a tailor. My father inherited his tailoring business, my grandfather's tailoring business. My father saw an opportunity in 1988. He took over this publication business by the name Krishna Prakashan Media Private Limited. He ventured, he started off with many more books. We eventually dealt only with MSc and BSc books. We started off with engineering, polytechnic, BBA, BCA, MBA, MCA, then engineering entrance, medical entrance, and a lot more books. Assuming a lot of students purchase books till date, you can go home, you can go in your library, you can check. You must be studying a business communication book by Malti Agarwal that is published by Krishna Prakashan. You have business statistics, business mathematics, financial accounting and management published by Krishna Prakashan. Authors are J.P. Chauhan and etc.